theory is she's transient some kind of altercation.
Anything new?
It's a mysterious mystery the care package
Oh,
contained
go back up there, get him. Kick his butt. Kick his butt. Go, go. Aw, come on. Come on. Attack! No? He's done. Oh! Oh, surprise attack! Get him! Get him! Get him! Katie! The cats were having a war. Should have seen it. It was great. That one got knocked off the couch. Don't put it on my head. Ah, my eye. Oh. War! Ow, my face! Oh, jerk fell down. Don't put him on my head. Come on, I'm trying to tape this. Own! Come on, little orange cat. Go!
When you lift him by the neck, and then you just hold him by the butt, they just start like, what?
Go, orange. Go, orange cat. Hit him in the face. Hit him in the face. Get off the ground. Stop letting him pounce you. Use this weight against him. Throw him off.
Sinners.
Yeah.
Oh, pounced. I think they just about took it out. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, climb on top of him! Climb on top of him again! Oh, we have a sneaky. We have a sneaky. What's he doing? He's not gonna join? There. Way to break up the fight.